Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. And basically this video is encouraging you guys, encouraging you on your walk, on your journey as far as your lifestyle, just to encourage you not to give up, okay? So many of you have been watching my videos as it is now, and I have so much information for you guys, whether it be weight loss, how to maintain, what kind of foods you should avoid. I have it all on this channel. All right, so if this is your first time actually visiting my channel, welcome to all of you, to all of my new subscribers. But for those of you who have been rocking with me for a while now, hey, you already know what it's like over here, okay? You've already visited. Excuse me if I seem a little hot, I just turned the air conditioner on. But this video today is basically just encouraging you all on your walk and letting you know that it is not going to be easy, okay? It's a mental battle every single day. So you're going to have your struggles, you're going to have your good days and your bad days. But for the most part, the best thing you can do for yourself is to not give up, okay? Giving up is not an option, because if you give up, you will never get to that goal weight. You will never get to your goal of slimming down, being more healthy, being more fit, you know, active, living your best life, okay? So this video, I'm just trying to encourage you all, and I'm going to also include some body shots. So many of you want to see what I look like in full, and I haven't done a body shot in a while, okay? I guess since I've done my Fashion Nova videos. But if you're not here for the clothing, you're here for the weight loss. So now it's time for me to let you guys see what I look like today. But before doing so, I really have to encourage you all, please, when I put out these detox tea videos, I tell you, use them, okay? Use them. They work. It's not easy, it's not fun having to go to the bathroom all day every day. It's work. It's exhausting. But if it took you that long to get to the weight that you're at now that you're not happy with, just know that it's not going to be as long taking it off, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot that your body is going to be going through, okay? Now, if you like pooping all day, then this is good for you, okay? This is perfect. Just know you're gonna have to eliminate the toxins, and in order to do that, you can do it 3 ways. There's 3 ways of eliminating toxins. There's defecation, okay? You're gonna be pooping. There's urination, you're gonna be peeing your brains out. And there's also sweating, okay? So you can get rid of toxins even through your pores just by sweating. So this summer weather is perfect to go out there, get your vitamin D, and to sweat out those toxins and pollutants in your body. Another thing I want to encourage you all on is, if you're trying to slim down your belly area, that I guess people really don't mention too much on these type of journey lifestyle living videos, but one thing I've noticed, your posture has a lot to do with the framing of your stomach, okay, with the shaping of your stomach. So if you're a person that likes to slouch, or you're used to slouching a lot, just know that you're going to have those rolls around your abdominal area, around your waist area. And that's usually how we get a lot of those rolls, because we have bad posture. We sit and slump over a lot, and we don't even realize it at times. I remember growing up, I remember my mom always getting on my case like, Donna, sit up properly, sit up properly. All right, you're supposed to sit up properly. And it's true. We should always be sitting up properly, because when you're sitting up properly, you're stretching, you're elongating your abdominal area. So it's not slouched, it's more like stretch. Not stretch, but it's being pulled up. Now, I'm not saying you got to sit all day at an attention with your back arched all day, but really and truly, that's proper position. When you're sitting comfortably, all right, and your back is straight, that's a comfortable position when you're used to it. Now, when you're not used to it, you're going to be sitting like this, okay? Anything that feels comfortable. Well, when you sit like that, your body posture is not correct, okay? So, one thing you should always practice is sitting up straight. Keep a mental note of your posture. Whether you're driving, okay? Whether you're just sitting at work, if you need a little cushion to prop in the back, okay, when you're sitting down, just so that you're able to sit up straight, do that. Another thing that helped me to remember to sit up properly was wearing a girdle, okay? Because you really cannot slouch in a girdle. And they have myrtles too, okay, fellas? They got myrtles also. Myrtles are male girdles. And if you got a pooch and you're trying to train your stomach to stay in, I suggest you start off with a girdle, okay, or a myrtle. And that way you're training your stomach not to be protruded, but you're keeping it in, okay? And you're training yourself to sit properly, because with a girdle you have to sit up. You will be sitting up straight, especially if it's a tight girdle. But that's something that you should always take a mental note of when you are sitting down. Your posture, okay? So once I lost my weight, that's one thing that I realized I was able to do, is sit up properly without that pain in the back, okay? Another thing that I was able to do is fold my legs. And even in doing that, I'm able to still sit up properly with good posture, even with my legs folded. Now, I remember there was a time I couldn't even cross my legs, you guys. I couldn't even cross my legs. These turkey thighs were so thick and so fat, it would be like a struggle. I'd be like this, and then I'd have to sit like that if I wanted it to stay up. That's how fat these legs were, okay? And how fat I was all around. I couldn't even cross my legs, and if I did, I had to hold them. And then if I did, I couldn't even keep them that long, like maybe 10 seconds. Then I had to put them down because they hurt, okay? Now I can sit comfortably for a long time in a good sitting position with my legs crossed and not feel any problems. One thing that I was suffering from a lot when I was overweight was this pain, this nerving, this pain in my nerve. Actually, it just made my legs a little uncomfortable, where I would always have to, you know, like slap it, because it was like this uncomfortable feeling that your legs just felt, not like it was sleeping or fell asleep, but it was just uncomfortable, annoying, uncomfortable nerve pain. I don't have that problem. Once I lost that weight again, that problem went. I don't have that irritating, agitating nerve feeling, that uncomfortable nerve feeling where I felt like I gotta constantly try to stimulate my nerves in my legs, because it was just one leg. And believe me, sitting for a long time was not easy. Traveling on the planes was not easy. When I went to Vegas, that plane flight was the most uncomfortable thing in my life. Not only did I have to sit for maybe 5-6 hours on a plane, but on top of that, I had to keep shifting just to feel comfortable because of my overweightness, because I wasn't used to sitting for a long time, my legs being cramped for a long time. It was the most uncomfortable thing. But once you lose the weight, you guys, I tell you, the pains that you had before in your joints, your hips, your back, your lower back, those are gonna go away. I had it all. I had lower back pains because I was carrying around this humongous trunk in the back, okay? Then I had these big turkey thighs, which I kind of like my turkey thighs. A little gobble gobble ain't that bad, but I like the turkey thighs, but they were just way too much, okay? They were too much. But once those slipped down, my body changed. I didn't have those ailments anymore. I didn't have the uncomfortableness of walking down the stairs and feeling like I was going to fall because one leg would kind of cramp up on me in a way, or that pain that I would get in my either hip or my nerve, my knee. There was just so much going on. And once I lost the weight, all of that stopped. It stopped. But even though I lost the weight, I had to maintain it. I had to maintain my lifestyle. I had to maintain what it was that I did to get to this point, okay? So that's one thing you gotta remember, and that's one thing I forgot on my first journey. And that was, once I lost all of that weight, I had to do what it took to keep it off. Now, I slowed down and I stopped the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, which I tell you was my lifesaver, okay? That's what started and kick-started this whole thing off for me. But once I realized that I didn't need that anymore, I substituted that with my green tea and lemons in the morning, or just regular lemon water in the morning. Sometimes I would even drink my lemon water 3 times a day, or anytime I felt thirsty. Alright? But always remember, even if you're on your detox teas, your waters, whatever it is, continue to drink water on top of that. Drink maybe 2 glasses of water before you even eat your meal. Okay, I taught you that in one of my other videos. Before eating a meal, drink 2 glasses of water. That will fill you up a lot better, and you won't eat as much. But let me just show you what I am working with today. Let you guys see my body shots, see what I look like. And if I can find some before pictures, I will put those in as well. But I'm telling you guys, it is definitely a difference. Now, I am now down to a size medium. Yeah, I really didn't want a medium, y'all. I wanted a medium top, but not a medium bottom. But you cannot always shape your body the way you want. You can. I'm just lazy, so that's why I guess I have these problems. If I was in a gym, I'd be able to do what I needed to do on the top part and do what I needed to do for the bottom part. But okay, that will be another video one day. But let me show you what I'm working with. Now, I'm not holding my stomach in, so you can actually see the real me, okay? Now, I'm wearing a bodysuit. It's not a bathing suit, okay? Now, from the side view, you can see that my stomach is still protruding. There's a little pooch. A lot of you would probably say, girl, please, that's not a stomach, okay? But it is. It's a pooch. I don't want a pooch, okay? Because when you sit down, you see the pooch. So, yeah, that's what I'm working with right now. As you can see, my booty went down, okay? It definitely got smaller. My legs, there's a little jiggle on the legs. Alright? But I like the jiggle. I just need to firm it up a little, and it will firm up once I get back. Once my body gets used to the size, okay? But this is what I'm looking at now. I'm not doing back shots, okay? That's as far as it goes. Alright? Now let me just show you my loose areas. Okay? Right here. Which all I need is to work out with my dumbbells, barbells, okay? A little bit of that because I had a lot of arms, okay? My arms was almost as big as my calves. So, yeah. So I do have some loose skin. That goes to show you that, yeah, girl, you have lost a lot of weight because it's hanging. My bone is up here, and all of this is skin. All right. Now, as far as the thighs, they're just big. There's a little looseness on that, but with some bike riding, power walking, cycling, that'll take care of that once I get in the gym. And now, you would think that I would have more, I guess you could say cellulite, which really isn't a lot, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing for that. But yeah, you guys, like I said, as far as the stomach area, the core area, you can also improve that area by keeping a mental note of your posture, okay? So once you are able to remember your posture, you'll be able to focus and keep your body at elongated position. All right? But this is what I'm working with. So there it is. There's my body shots. And like I said, I'm going to try to find a before picture so you can compare it and see that, yeah, girl, you have lost some weight. But I tell you like this, it's a life journey, okay? You're not going to break this and think that you can go and just live regular. This is now your regular. So once you've lost your weight, you just got to know that that's going to have to be your regular. Whatever lifestyle that caused you to lose the weight, okay? That healthy lifestyle, the eating properly, the drinking properly, and eliminating the things that cause you to gain the weight, that is now going to have to be your new lifestyle. So it's going to be something that's going to be forever.
forever, ever, forever, ever. Okay? Forever, ever.
So just know there is no going back, okay? It's always going forward, staying focused, staying mentally focused on what you're eating. And also, when you're emotional, how are you when you're emotional? Are you an emotional eater? Okay? With me, I can't eat if I'm stressed. So that's like being on a weight loss right there, because I drop weight just like that if I'm stressed out. Okay? So yeah, it also depends on your emotional status. But yeah, so for those of you who want to see more videos like this, okay, give me them likes, thumbs up this video, make a mention down below in the comment section, and if there's any other types of videos that you're interested in me doing, please let a sister know. Okay, I got you on this one. And until the next video, you guys, I encourage you all to stay positive, stay focused, stay stress-free. All right, stay stress-free, and always stay mindful, but do not give up. Do not give up, okay? Because once you give up, you've already failed. Stay focused, y'all. And until the next video, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.